Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use OData Receiver Adapter to post data in cloud integration. For this demo, we are going to use Northwind server and we are particularly going to use the products resource path. Before going to cloud integration, we are first going to try it out in Postman. So here I can add a request named get products. And this is our service root endpoint. If I query this, I'll get list of the entities available. And I want this response to be in JSON format, so I can put the header as accept and put the value as application/JSON. Then it will give me the list of available entities in JSON format. So currently I can see there are 3 entities available. So I'm going to use the products. Then I'm going to query this and see how many records are available right now. Here we can see there are total 9 records as the ID is starting from 0 and the last one is 8. We can also count this using count. So I can duplicate this request and write the request name as get product count. Okay. And to get the count, we can put $count. So we got 9 as the result. So let's see how to create a product first. So you can write the request name as create product. The URL will be same. Here also we can specify that we want this response to be in the JSON format. The body should be in the JSON format. And the structure we can get from the GET request. So I'm going to change some parts of it, mainly the name, description, and ID. And we can see we got 201 create response. And if I just run the count now, I'll see there are 10 records available. Now let's do the same thing in cloud integration. Here I can create one integration flow. I'm putting the name as OData Receiver and then post. So one common mistake is that people try to send the JSON pair directly to the OData adapter and it fails, saying it's expecting the XML format, not the JSON. So I'll show that to you first, that particular point also. What I was saying, like if I just put here the JSON payload, it's not going to work. Let me change this information. We can add a request reply step also. So we need to add the service root URL, and here we can mention products and the content type as JSON. Okay, from here you can select the fields, but that's not required. That's not right now. I'm trying to show it to you. I'm just trying to show it to, like, if I just directly give the JSON payload as input to this OData adapter, it will not work, because the OData adapter always expects the incoming payload as XML, and then it internally converts it to JSON if you select this content type as JSON before sending it to the receiver system. Now if I just deploy this, so let's check the merging now. You can see it's saying that request payload seems to be incorrect, and it's starting with the start. It should start with the start tag, but it's not. So the incoming payload to the OData adapter should be in XML format. So if I just put the XML format here, so the regarding this format, so how can we get this particular structure, right? How we'll know, like, first it should be products and product. So to get that, what we have to do, we can generate the XSD structure from the ADMX file. Okay, so here you can select all the field, and if I just click on generate XML schema definition, it will create the XSD related to this EDMX. And now one more thing, as you can see, there's sublabels is written as 0. If I just increase 1, then it can navigate to another entities, right? So from products we can navigate to category and supplier also. So but for this case I just don't need anything related to category or supplier. I just need only the product. So I'm going to select sublabels as 0, and I'm going to select all fields, and I'm going to click on generate XML schema definition. And if I click on finish, yeah, this got generated, and in the XSD directly you can see the structure. The XSD will be available under this resource tab. Here we can see the structure. Our root node should be products, and under product we will have products and then all the other fields. Now let's deploy it. It got deployed. So I have already enabled the trace. No, trace was not enabled that time. Okay, no worries. We can see whether the product got generated from Postman tool. So here I can just run the count and I can see in the list of great products, yeah, coffee is there.